What's good, fam? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. This channel is all about tips, tricks, bass tutorials for the blue-collar bass player. Hey, in today's video, I'm going to do something that I've never done before, and that is do a tutorial on one of my own songs. My last video, I was sharing that I was lucky enough to be listed on Funkatopia.com's list of 20 best funk albums of 2019. Huge honor. There's some dope acts on that list. I'm gonna leave it in the spot. You know where the spot is, down in the description box below. Yeah, so it's not completely a funk album. There's a lot of good funk stuff on there, a lot of bass stuff on, a lot of bass, I like to think, good bass playing on the record. But it is not a bass record. So anyway, I invite you to check that out. That link is also in the description box below. So one of the tunes on here is a song called The 504, which is an homage to my hometown of New Orleans. Kind of ironic, I'm wearing an Oakland Warriors t-shirt right now, but Oakland is also my home, but New Orleans is where I was raised. So me and my buddy, Nate Cameron, from the Tank and the Bangers crew, wrote this tune called The 504. And I don't want to talk too much. Let me play the song first. Watch me get a copyright strike on my own tune. So check it out. Here's how the song goes. Starts off with bass. Okay, big horns, all that stuff. Song is in D minor, and so this is a 5-string specific a 5-string specific tune. I have played it on 4-string with a drop D tuner, but for this joint, you're gonna need a 5-string. And I understand that this bass doesn't have any fret markers, but there's the note D, 3rd fret of the B string. So what I'm doing there is I'm going D, 5, flat 7, D again, the minor 3rd there. And then, so that's this minor pentatonic. There's no 4 there. Those are all the notes. Let me see. Readjust here. So let me play it full speed. That's the main groove. So there's a little, let me scoot over here and peep my right hand. There's that skip. Check it out.
Stopping the Mars. Things ain't big and easy like they once were, but the people still are tough. And you ain't gotta wait till the weekend to catch a live band with that groove. You can eat all day and dance all night and walk
Here's the
around
chorus.
with show.
Pre-chorus, rather.
Having been all
D, C,
from coast to coast,
B,
but there's still one place at the bottom of the mountain.
A.
Folks at the most 504. 504.
That's my verse. So, and then on the bridge, descending line, dramatic, D flat, C, B, B flat, A, back to the So that is the whole tune. I wanted to tell you the song started off with the bass line. I was out on a walk and I heard the bass line in my head and I hummed it in my voice recorder. I was just boom, ba-dum, dum, 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 dum. As soon as I got to the house, I laid down a quick and dirty scratch part on Reason. No, actually, that's not what happened. What happened was I hummed it into my voice recorder and then I sent it over to Nate and I said, hey man, write something about home. And so he came up with like the hook and the first verse. He sent it back to me. I wrote the second verse and we kind of went back and forth like that. But it all started with that bass line. So anyway, I'm proud of that tune. I'm proud of the record. So, and never done a bass tutorial on one of my own songs before. So I'm hoping that you will go check it out. Again, like I said, the link is in the description below. If you like this video, videos like it, and are looking for bass tutorials and quick little references and tips and tricks or whatever, then click somewhere around here and you'll find a playlist and more videos. There's, close to 400 videos here on this channel. So there's a lot of stuff, a little something for everybody. So as always, peace, two fingers, man. I'll catch you in the next video. Check out the rest of the stuff. Check out the album. I'll see you next time. Peace.